So now we're going to continue on our glitter designs, and this time I'm going to use a stencil to make a butterfly. And this is just an ordinary craft stencil that you can buy. It's normally used to decorate walls or craft projects, but I'm going to use it for something that we do on our skin. We'll illustrate on a piece of paper this time, and I'm going to use my glue and dab it over the taped down stencil, making sure to get in all the little crevices of the design. And I'll just illustrate with one of the wings by putting some glitter on the design. After I brush it on through the holes, I use the brush to lightly bring out the actual shape of the design. And you can do multiple colors if you like. We put blue on here, then I match it up, and I can also put some silver. And here's the finished design.